Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to NewsAPI for content apps without coding, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the NewsAPI website. Look for the Get Started button typically located on the. Click on the Get Started button to access the registration page. Fill out the required information in the registration form. Provide your name, email address, and create a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Submit the form to create your account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from NewsAPI. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the NewsAPI website and log in. After logging in, navigate to the API key section of your dashboard. Click on the button to generate a new API key. Copy your API key to a safe location for future use. Now head to the documentation section to understand how to use the API. Familiarize yourself with the different endpoints available for fetching news content. Choose an endpoint that suits your content app needs, such as articles, sources, or everything. Read through the example requests provided to see how to structure your queries. Open a web browser and enter a URL to test the API. Format your URL by including your API key and any necessary parameters. Review the response data to confirm you are receiving the correct information. Integrate the API key in your content application according to the documentation guidelines. Make sure to handle any errors or exceptions that may arise. Test your application to ensure that it retrieves data as expected. Continue to explore additional features and options for optimizing your app's performance. With these steps, you are now ready to effectively use NewsAPI for your content app without coding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.